guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. And before we get into this month's theme of self-care for our paper pad club, I just wanted to share a little bit why it's so important to me. I'm a caregiver for my husband. He's a disabled veteran and has a traumatic brain injury, a TBI. The VA is always reminding me that if I don't take care of myself, it gets a lot harder to take care of him. And I know a lot of you have busy lives too, whether it's family, work, or other responsibilities. For me, crafting has been such a big part of taking care of myself. It's my time to relax, recharge, and do something I enjoy. Maybe crafting is that space for you too, a way to take a breath and do something just for you. This month, we're going to focus on making that time and giving ourselves a little extra care through creativity. So I love this month's theme, and I hope you guys do too. The products are beautiful, so I'm going to share that with you. I have a brand new Freewood 60 starting May 1st. It will be this really cute little bee. Inside it has a little card that says, "Thank you for being awesome." Just a little reminder for you. And then a little half pack of enamel dots are in there as well. So this is a really cute little free gift with your order of $60 or more. You'll see that pop into your cart once your order qualifies. And for our paper pad club, you get 2 beautiful paper pads every month. There's an option to add on coordinating ephemera and a coordinating stamp set. You can purchase this as a one-time purchase or join the club, but when you join, you get 18% off, and then you reserve your goodies for the following month. So let's take a closer look at the stamp set. It's a 4x6 clear stamp set. This is called Self-Care. We've got great sentiments. You've totally got this. Self-care is not selfish. Life is tough, but so are you. Make yourself a priority. Overcoming anxiety is my superpower. What's yours? You are enough. Remember that you are amazing. And then we have some little cute images here. There's a plant, a candle, a face mask, some weights, a little cup of tea, and some fruit. Just some items that you might use when you want to self-care. And a planner with a little pen and a little paint set here that represents creativity. So what a great stamp set, and the sentiments go great with the ephemera. We're going to make a card today using this beautifully unique paper pad. So let's share that really quick. It goes really nicely with the other paper pads, so you can kind of mix and match. Some beautiful florals in here. And I love the stripe. It's got a little stripe inside a stripe, so that is like really unique. And the colors are so serene and calming. I just love it. So pretty. These beautiful flowers on a green stripe. And then you get some muted, toned patterns that go great with the flowers. Here's a little wash of color, and on the back side are some images, and you get 4 of each sheet. Get some really cute images. I love that girl holding the super cute doodle dog. There's a girl reading a book on a hammock, and then a nice little serene little scene with a little book and a matcha tea, looks like. A little craft desk there, and then another one here with a book and some water. You always need to remember to hydrate. Super cute. And then this one here, this is a nice stripe too. Very unique with those little smudges on there, and a beautiful pattern on the back. So I've cut out my images so I could create something today with you guys. So I'm going to put this over to the side. we're gonna look at the Awakening. This is a beautiful paper pad. So I love this paper pad. Teresa did a great job with this. We've got some plaids, and then we've got this beautiful kind of like a marbled look with some gold flecks going through there. I cut out a circle there for one of my cards. Nice gingham. So pretty. So you got plenty of those beautiful sheets. They're all a little bit different, and on the back you get something different, whether it's a gingham or a plaid. So you can choose, you can mix and match these. They look great together. And I did do some cards with this, so I'll be able to share some samples. I think I've got everything mixed up here because I was playing around with this paper pad. But it's so pretty. Okay, now we've got some really cute ephemera. This character is just so cute. Let me show you the cards real quick, and then we'll look at the ephemera. So, love how they turned out. I used the Easy Wonder Die #1 to create these cards. If you're not familiar with our Easy Wonder Dies, the dies are just shy of a 6x6 sheet of paper. So you can easily smash your 6x6 paper pads with these dies. They fit just like so. So you can, there's little to no waste when you run this through your die cutting machine. It will cut out all of these parts individually. And then you have some super cute shapes to create different layouts. So I created 3 different layouts with this one die. I have the sentiment self-care is not selfish. It comes in your ephemera pack. I have some wood grain paper on the background for some added texture. I used the stamp Life is Tough, but So Are You with the girl with the weights. Thought that was perfect. And then I did have some glittery enamel dots, or sparkly glittery enamel dots to go with that. And then this one, Relax, Refresh, Renew, with a nice little cozy chair and blanket and throw pillow. So let's take a look at this adorable ephemera. Some of the images are missing from here because they are on my cards, but I will put a still shot of everything that's included. So we got such cute characters. Look how cute she is. She's putting on some lipstick. Just the details are so cute. And here she is drinking a cup of coffee or tea. That one is shopping. Got a little alarm clock. This girl here, she's got her headphones and she's hydrating with some water. I think she's adorable. You got some breakfast. Looks like she's praying. There's that girl with a cute little dog. Workout stuff. There's cappuccino maker. I love this one. She looks like she's saying, "Rise and shine. It's gonna be a great day." So just so cute. Look at that girl. She's just adorable. So I'm just gonna put these down.
In the stillness of the morning light, You find the spark that feels just right. A paper pad, some colors near. A quiet way to bring joy here. It's in the little moments.
Let's pick out some sheets so we could create a card with this beautifully unique paper pad. I really like this stripe, and that is really pretty, the flowers on the back. So I think I'll use those two patterns. I'm going to stamp out "You've Totally Got This." I think I'm going to use this girl.
The peace that mindful crafting brings, with every layer, soft and true. You're showing love right back to you. No need to rush, no need to prove. Just let your heart and hands both.
Okay, I'm going to play some music while I assemble the card. I'll meet you back on the other side.
Thread and glue, a handmade way to start anew. It's in the little moments, the simple things, the peace that mindful crafting brings. With every layer, soft and true, you're showing love right back to you. It's more than paper, more than art. It's how you care for your own heart. So take a breath, enjoy the day. Let self-kindness lead the way. It's more than paper, more than art. It's how you care for your own heart. So take a breath, enjoy the day. Let self-kindness lead the way. The way.
Okay, so there's the inside. I haven't decorated the inside of my card in a while, and I really love it. Gotta remember to do that more often. It's fun. So there's the card. I hope you enjoy. Remember to take time for yourself. Get creative and get in your craft room and make something beautiful. So I will see you in the next video, guys. Join me tomorrow for a live stream party for our new release. I will be going live on the 1st at 10 a.m. Central Time. So I hope to see you then. Take care, guys.